So, I have figs in my garden. I'm basically the only one eating them, and for this reason, I decided on making some jam with them. After picking a bunch of them, I weighed some, and I've got a gelifying sugar. The ratio is around 2 to 1. I sterilized some jars beforehand, so they are ready to be filled up when I finish the jam. I start by preparing the figs. I wash them and cut the top and bottom off. Then I cut them in quarters and inspect one by one before adding them into the pot. The thing is, we don't use any pesticides on our trees, so we never know if there are any cheeky bugs inside. I wouldn't blame them. The figs are really delicious. Here's what I'm using and what's going to be discarded, or rather given to the neighbor's sheep. I got my sugar measured and now it's time to cook them figs. To the hob they go with the sugar and a little mixing in low heat. And the sugar starts melting and the figs soften. After around 5 minutes of stirring, I blend the figs, not only to make the process quicker, but to make it smoother as well. Then I stir some more, let's say 10 minutes. It starts bubbling, and be careful of those little flying droplets of very hot jam. That's why I'm using a deep pot, to prevent them from coming out so much. Then you take the pot off the heat and get the jars close to you because it's time to pour the jam into them. I was clearly too optimistic because I sterilized too many jars. This is what I got from it. 3 jars and a little bit to be consumed in the following days in a bowl. Open only when you are going to consume them, and it will preserve for weeks. As soon as you open one, store it in the fridge. I'm just cleaning the mess I made on the outside of the jars and making sure I close them properly. This is the texture I got. Easy to spread on bread and crackers, to add on porridge and yogurt. You name it. Thanks for watching and have a great day!